everybody, and thank you so much for joining me again on another one of our soaping adventures. My name is Lynette, and I am one of the owners of the Skin Candy Soap Company. We are working on March's soaps this month. The soap we'll be working on today is our Birthstone soap. The Birthstone for March is Aquamarine, which is a very, very light blue. Of course, we're going to be using our signature Melt and Pour gems to represent our stone. I have used just clear Melt and Pour and our Aphrodite mica from Mad Micas to make that. I just let them set up and put it in my silicone mold. I am not quite sure what I'm going to do with this soap right now. I may do a swirl, I may do layers. It's all going to determine how my fragrance oil works. I have never used this fragrance oil in soap. I have used it in other products, but never in soap. So the reviews say it doesn't accelerate or rise or discolor, but I've read that on a couple other fragrance oils we've used and they've rised and accelerated. So we'll see what happens. What we're going to be using today is Breezes and Sunshine. So we're going to kind of go and see what happens with this. If it works well, I would like to do some layers, and if it does, I'm going to be using Goldfinger and doing a layer in between the colors of these two. Just look at those two together. It's just gorgeous. So I want to be able to incorporate that if I can. I think that'd be great for the soap. Do some kind of like messy layers. If not, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do an in the pot swirl, and I think what I'm going to do is just do, I might do some wisps of the gold and then do my main color blue and white and then do a little bit of wisps of gold in that in the pot swirl. So we are going to see what happens. For the top, I'm going to be adding probably some gold and blue micas. And then I found this amazing blue glitter. It's called Bally Bliss. And it is by Nurture Soap. And it is gorgeous. It is this gorgeous turquoisey. I'm hoping it will just kind of bring out the lighter blue colors in this soap. But it also has some gold, some iridescent. And I'm just excited to see what's going to happen with that. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I've already melted down my oils and butters. I have inside here my kaolin clay and my colloidal oats. I just remembered I forgot to add my sodium lactate to this. Let me find a spoon. Usually add it to my lye water, but we'll add it to the oils instead. Just a couple of teaspoons for the amount of oils we have. Sodium lactate is just an additive that is added to soap to be able to get it out of your silicone mold faster or easier, not faster. It also helps harden the bar and gives your soap a nice shiny look on the edges. Everything that we're using, our equipment and all of the fragrances and micas, colorants will be linked down in the description box below. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the video, and also make sure that you hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever we upload a new video. Well, I think that's about it. I'm kind of done talking, so let's get soaping. Okay, so I've changed my mind. I am going to do an in the pot swirl. After thinking about doing the blue and the gold swirl, it just kind of spoke to me. So we're going to be doing white and blue and then just a little bit of gold. In fact, I think I'm gonna add a little bit less and just do a little bit of wispies. And then we'll do a blue and gold swirl, drizzle on the top. Probably do a chopstick swirl on the top and then our figure 8 swirl on the top. And then add our, I don't know. We'll see. We're just gonna play it by ear. It's a play it by ear kind of day, I guess.